Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be showing the box I put together for my brand ambassador. I chose 2 people to be a brand ambassador for my business. And inside, I'm just showing you right now the brand ambassador sticker that I made. It's something simple but cute to put my little spin on things. So it says, "This box is for you. Thank you for agreeing to rep my brand. Trust me, you will love it here. Enough reading. Unbox me already. Like, hurry up and open me so you can see what I got." Pretty much is what that was. I have my business, for those of you who don't know, it's going to be Sincere Vibes LLC, and we do skincare, we do hair care, as well as candles and wax shots is what I currently offer. I am going to be launching my own clothing brand, which will be activewear, loungewear, and lingerie is what that's going to be. So inside the brand ambassador box, they get a little bit of everything. So this is a 2-piece biker set right here that's going into the box. I designed my own hang tags as well as my labels and my sizing stickers and cut them and put them all on here. This one is going to be my other 2-piece set. This one is actually a pants set. This is my favorite of the 2 outfits that I got. So you get one of each. I only have 2 right now, so she gets one. And then we have the lemonade foaming scrub is what this is. So I tried to shake it because I didn't like the appearance, but really all you got to do is just take your finger or take something and just mix it, and the oil mixes right up, because after it sits for a while, the oil sits on top. But there is an added preservative to it, therefore it doesn't go bad. This is my body cream here, the Black Coconut brand, and you can see me playing with the label a little bit, just smoothing it out a little bit more, because I cut my labels and designed them myself. Black Coconut was a really popular scent. I sold out of this scent back in Thanksgiving or Christmas, and I'm just now putting some back in stock. And then this here is the classic Clementine Bar. And this I had in a milk and pour bar, and I changed it to a cold process bar, so that's what that looks like. And then she's also gonna get a soap saver. A soap saver is basically just like a soap dish, except this one is more like a sponge type material, so it's really thin, but it does the trick. And then I am going to add some more tissue paper on top of this to kind of close it up a little bit, and just cover it to make it look more of like it's a surprise, you can't see what's in it type thing. So that's exactly what I did here. It's just me covering it up. And then I went ahead and I added a personal little card, and this is something that I just quickly designed myself. And this is a brand ambassador card, so it has the business information on it. You get your own personal discount, as well as a discount that you can give to anybody else who you would like to share it with. So like I said, I chose 2 brand ambassadors. I can't wait for them to rep my brand. They're going to be doing pictures and stuff like that for me. And this was just a quick video on what was up. Thank you for watching.